How to log out of Instagram on all devices. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're in the profile page, at the top right corner you will find 3 bars, click on it. After you land to settings and activity page where you're gonna find different sections, head over to the section of account center. Now click on the option of password and security. Navigate to the option of where you are logged in. Now click on your Instagram username. With that, you're gonna find all the devices in which your Instagram account is logged in. Click on the option of select devices to log out. Now to log out your Instagram from all the devices, click on the option of select all. Once you have selected all the devices, click on logout. Are you sure you will no longer be logged in on the selected devices? Click on logout. Just with that, your Instagram account will be logged out of all the devices. So this way you can easily log out of Instagram on all devices. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.